Let's make something yummy! Start by cracking a quail egg into a mini bowl and adding red sugar. Whisk them together with a mini mixer until fully combined, then stir in the flour, baking powder, and watermelon syrup until you get a smooth, vibrant red batter. Pour the batter into a foil-lined mini cake tin and bake for 15 minutes. While it cools, crush mini Oreo cookies and mix them into buttercream. What red thing can you see on the screen? That's right! Here's a star for you! Then transfer the frosting into a tiny piping bag. Slice the cooled cake into 3 thin layers and stack them using the Oreo buttercream. Carefully sculpt the edges into a round watermelon shape and coat it with dark green buttercream. Next, roll out green fondant into thin strips and use pink, black, and white fondant to craft the cute face details. Place the face on the front, layer the green fondant strips around the cake. And fill in the spaces with textured green buttercream dots before topping it off with a tiny decorative stem. Start by pouring vanilla cake mix into a mini mixing bowl, cracking in a quail egg, and adding lavender milk. Whisk everything together until you get a smooth, vibrant purple batter. Pour the batter into a foil-lined mini cake tin and bake for 20 minutes. Once cooled, slice the cake into thin layers and stack 3 of them on a plate, layering white buttercream in between. Repeat with a second stack, then cover both miniature cake stacks completely with purple buttercream and smooth out the edges with a spatula before chilling in the fridge for 15 minutes. Take one of the chilled cakes and slice it into a smooth dome shape using a mini knife. Frost the dome with purple buttercream, smooth it out, and stack it right on top of the cylindrical cake base. Decorate around the base with piped purple frosting borders. Then attach black, white, and red fondant details to craft the cat's face, ears, and mouth. Finally, place a tiny yellow moon fondant piece on the side to complete your adorable miniature cat cake.
is my favorite cartoon. I wish I could go to prom. La, 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 la. I don't have any shoes for my beautiful dress. This can be fixed quickly in my miniature kitchen. You can help me get to the ball by just clicking on the button to subscribe. It is not difficult for you to do this, and I will be very pleased. Which shoe do you like the most? Write your answer in comments. Oh, right now the show cake or fake will start. Let's watch together.
Hey, welcome to the Cake or Fake show. Our contestant.
I am so worried.
Which one of these sofas is cake and which one is fake?
I think the cake is number 2.
Let's check it out. I could use this. really is the cake. Congratulations to our contestants.
There's something missing from this picture. Boo, no! Maybe you just wanted me to make cake again. For an element cake, I need a little magic. Hey, subscribe if you've seen the cartoon The Elementals.
It's really good.
Yes, it will work better. I wonder what happens when you put them together.